This high protein midnight snack will have you in a chokehold like this. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. You know what that means. Time to make another high protein meal. Here's another 3-ingredient snack. All you need is some eggs, potato, and Chobani yogurt. I tried doing the transitions, but I only work here, so I don't know. Anyways, boil the potato, and then for the last 7 minutes, add your eggs and make it a little jacuzzi party. Yeah. Then in a bowl of cold water, you want to stop the party and give everyone frostbite. And while the frost is biting, you then want to take your Greek yogurt or whatever is left and add whatever tart you have to make this baby zesty, just like me. And now for this part, you want to crack her. Or him, LGBTQRS friendly. Now, I know what you're thinking. Angel, this is gonna give me the most gaseous butthole air bubbles of all time. And that's why I'm making this during demon hours, y'all. Because who's gonna judge me while I'm sleeping? The urn my granddad's in? Yeah, okay. That's what your mom sounds like. Bone apple tea? And here are the macros, and that is why